After Tata Consumer-Bisleri deal was called off, we learned that it was not just valuation but disagreement over the deal structure. Limited access to data could have potentially been some of the other reasons behind talks failing. Mangalam joins us now with more. Mangalam.
Well, that's correct. You know, we were just looking at Tata Consumer and Bisleri's announcement on Friday itself, the fact that the negotiations have ended. So at the same time, I was trying to find out some of the reasons. While valuation would have seemed an obvious parameter, but we understand from some of the sources in the company and ones who were working on the deal that there was a lot of delay in these negotiations. They were going on for over 8 months, and as a result of which there was some disagreement over the deal structure as well. So those were some of the factors. You know, a lot of the data points as well were the lack of access to that were some of the factors that would have led to the deal actually falling through. Valuations, while they were on the higher side, but definitely not the main concern. And remember, Tata Consumer's beverage portfolio anyway over the last few years has been growing twice the Bisleri's growth rate. In fact, Narishco reported 44% growth CAGR between FY20 and FY23, whereas Bisleri grew about 20% between FY20 and FY15 itself. The other parts of the Tata Consumer business, which is Tata Copper Plus, which is their value-added water, was growing at a CAGR of over 100%. Their premium segment, which is actually, as a market growing 2 times the normal segment, has a market share lead of 3:1 as against Bisleri's Vedika. So Bisleri would have, Tata Consumer would have grown to Bisleri's size in a few years organically anyway. But what the deal would have given them is immediate access to the market and infrastructure. Bisleri had about 120 operational plants, a distribution network of 6,000 plus touch points, at the same time 7,500 trucks too. But now Tata's will go ahead and build their business organically for the beverage business. So that's what we've found out from our sources.
Mangalam.